Over the last couple of years, we've made tremendous investments in the company to be able to compete in the space exploration and aerospace markets.
When you take a look at mission critical parts, they have to be made in the very best environment. And that's the reason when you take a look at our shop, it's almost got a surgical grade or an aerospace feel to it at all times. To gain knowledge and be experts in the nickel-based high-temp alloys, we've done many tests across all different alloys out there that we've tested on our own time and our own cost. So when a purchase order comes up with that special type of high-temp alloy, we can confidently look at it and say, yeah, we've machined that. We know exactly how to run it.
In a matter of 6 months, we transformed our quality lab and tripled the size of it. One of the things that we added in this last expansion was a clean room where we can do ultrasonic cleaning, passivation, laser engraving, and special packaging, all in a cellular type arrangement.
What really separates us from our competition is that we stock high-temp alloys, we're able to machine it, and we also have passivation in-house. So really, if somebody calls up, we have material on hand, we can make a part in 48 hours that is out of a high-temp alloy, machined and passivated, and shipped complete. Here at JR Machine, when we take a look at a complex part and you place a PO with us, we are going to be a no-fail supplier.